I am Charlotte and I am the HR Manager at Hutchinson Engineering. I am involved in two strands within the ESG strategy: value in people and social value and community. Value in people within Hutchinson Engineering is essential for creating a positive and thriving work environment, enhancing employee engagement and driving overall organisational success. Different initiatives we run include promoting work-life balance and flexible working, training and development programs, employee engagement with team building days and social events, and ensuring safe working environment. Social value and community engagement are vital aspects of corporate responsibility. They contribute to building a positive company image, fostering goodwill, and they identify areas where Hutchinson Engineering can make a meaningful difference. We do this through establishing a Charity of the Year, creating a partnership with them to run a calendar of fundraising events, partnering with local schools and colleges to promote STEM education and skills development, and offering internships, apprenticeships, or mentoring programs for students. At Hutchinson Engineering, we feel ESG is important because it helps foster innovation and create long-term value. By integrating ESG into our strategies and operations, we are able to achieve sustainable growth, positively impact society, and contribute to a more resilient and inclusive global economy.